Traditional graphics cards can be bulky, often posing a challenge for small form factor SFF PCS and compact builds. There are many products available to choose low-profile graphics cards, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best low-profile graphics cards from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Powercolor Fighter AMD Radeon. The Powercolor RX 7600 graphics card is equipped with 8 GB of GDDR6 video memory, 2048 stream processors, and notable clock speeds, ensuring smooth and immersive gaming experiences. It features a cooling system with two 90mm fans, an enlarged heatsink, and heat pipes that directly touch the GPU, enhancing heat distribution to keep the system cool during intense gaming. The fans are designed with Japanese dual ball bearings for superior heat removal and durability. Additionally, an intelligent fan controller enhances cooling effectiveness while reducing noise, extending the card's operational life. Number 2. XFX Speedster SSWFT 210 Radeon. If you're looking for a better gaming experience, we suggest the SSWFT 210 Radeon graphics card by XFX. It comes with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory and a strong AMD RX 6600 chipset, delivering great gaming performance. With a boost clock of up to 2491 MHz, it ensures smooth gameplay at high settings. Its dual fan cooling system keeps the card cool, maintaining top performance. Solid performance on ultra settings with a boost clock of up to 2491 MHz. Efficient dual fan cooling system for temperature regulation. Good value for the price, delivering reliable gaming experiences. Sleek appearance and build quality enhance overall aesthetics. Number 3. Asus Dual GeForce RTX. Asus has launched the GeForce RTX 4060 Ti-Ak Edition graphics card designed to offer superior gaming performance. This card uses NVIDIA DLSS 3 and Ada Lovelace architecture to significantly boost performance up to 4 times with DLSS 3 and double the ray tracing capabilities with its 3rd-generation RT cores. It also includes an axial tech fan design with a smaller fan hub and 0 dB technology, which provides effective cooling while keeping noise levels low. This makes it a great option for gamers looking for a powerful yet quiet graphics card. Advanced NVIDIA DLSS 3 and ray tracing technologies for enhanced graphics. Efficient axial tech fan design maximizes cooling efficiency. 0 dB technology allows for light gaming and relative silence. Ak Edition with boosted clock speeds for superior performance. Number 4. MSI Gaming GeForce RTX. MSI is a one-stop shop for technology lovers, offering a wide range of products including laptops, motherboards, graphics cards, and other computer parts. One of its products is the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060, a compact and high-performing video card. It has 8 GB of GDDR6 memory and a 128-bit memory interface, designed to provide a smooth gaming experience. With its Torx Fan Forto and the Ada Lovelace architecture, this graphics card ensures effective cooling and reliable performance. Efficient heat dissipation with Torx Fan Forto for reliable cooling. Value for money with 8 GB GDDR6 memory and a 128-bit memory interface. Digital maximum resolution of 17680x4320 for immersive gaming visuals. Ventus 2X black design adds a sleek and aesthetic appeal. Number 5. Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX. Zotac provides cost-effective graphics cards that deliver strong performance without a high price tag, making them a suitable option for a wide range of computer users. The RTX 3060 exemplifies Zotac's approach by offering affordability and high performance. It is built on NVIDIA's Ampere architecture and includes 12 GB of GDDR6 memory with a boost clock speed of 1.807 MHz and supports PCI Express 4.0. Additionally, it incorporates advanced cooling solutions such as Ice Storm 2 and active fan control and freeze fan stop to maintain low temperatures and operate quietly. Amplified gaming performance with 12 GB GDDR6 and NVIDIA Ampere architecture. Advanced cooling technologies for efficient temperature regulation. Active fan control allows users to manage fan rotations for optimal airflow. Metal backplate enhances card rigidity and overall durability. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.